The SEC-400 represents the latest technology for hog splitting on gambrels. The sealed 5-horsepower motor gives it plenty of power, yet the short length of the saw makes it easy to handle. The saw can be supplied with either an electric or mechanical brake for operator safety. And for restricted areas, it can also be supplied with an extra thin stainless steel head. The smooth surface construction of the SEC-400 makes for easy cleaning and optimum hygiene. And with anti-tie-down controls, the SEC-400 meets national and international standards for operator safety.